Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about handmade and artisanal business isn't quick. So first type Shopify on the search. Now let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. So here you can just skip all this if you want. So I'm gonna skip this. Now wait a few seconds to build in this store. So here the first thing you have to do, you go to the online store and go to the themes where you can change them if you want. So here you can select any theme you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Now wait to install in the theme. So once your theme is installed, click here publish and click here. Now you can customize it on your home page. So here click here customize and it will take you to the home page store. So here you can change the style of the home page. You can make it like a desktop or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So for me I'm gonna just keep it like this. Here this the settings where you can design your store. So first here we have the header, the announcements bar. Here you can change the color scheme. You can also turn this on, show separate line. You can show icons on desktop. You can also turn this on, auto rotate announcements. You can turn this on, enable country region selector, and also you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back to the announcements. Here where you can change the text if you want. You can paste a link or search for something. I'm gonna select the all collections. Here you can manage the header section. So let's move on to the header. Here you can manage the desktop logo position. You can also manage the main menu. You can change it or remove it if you want. You can manage the desktop menu type. Also you can manage the sticky header. You can show separate line. Here you can change the color scheme. You can change the menu color scheme. So that's it. Here also you can enable country and region selector, and you can also enable language selector. So let's move on. Here you can manage the mobile layout. You can manage the spacing. You can edit the spacing. You can edit the section pattern. Here you can manage the theme settings. You can also add your social media links, Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or YouTube or Instagram or whatever link you want to add on your theme settings here. So let's move on to the logo. Here you can select your logo from your library, or from, for example, let's search on it on the browser. Handmade and artisanal logo ideas. So for example let's choose this. So this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time you want. You can change it, you can delete it if you want. So that's it. Now let's get back. Here you can let's move on to the slideshow where you can change the layout. You can make it like a grid. You can change the slide height. Also you can manage the pagination style. You can turn this on, auto rotate slides. So that's it. Here you can manage the animations. You can show content below image on mobile. You can also manage the accessibility settings. So that's it. Now let's move on to the slide section. Here you can select image from the browser. For example, you can select photos from the browser if you want. For example, handmade. So here you can choose whatever you want. For example, uh, I'm gonna choose this. Here you can generate the heading. Just describe what this text is about. So for example, handmade and artisanal, and click here generate. You can also manage the heading size. You can generate the text on the subheading, just like the previous text. Just describe what this text is about. Handmade and artisanal, and now click here generate. You can change the button label here, where you can change the button link. You can also use the outline button style. You can manage the desktop content position. Here you can change the color scheme. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the featured collection section. Here also you can manage you can generate the text on the heading, just like this. You can edit the heading size. Here you can generate the description. So for example, this you can you can edit description style. You can also change the collection. You can create another collection. Here you can make products full width. Also you can edit the color scheme. You can enable carousel on desktop. Here you can edit the product card section. You can show second image on hover. You can also show vendor and show product rating. You can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. Now let's move on to the last section on the website, the footer section. Here you can manage the email sign up. You can edit the color scheme. Also you can make section full width. You can edit the section padding. So after you're done from this, after you design your website, now all you have to do, save this, and let's get back to the dashboard, the home page. Now exit. So now after you customize your product and after you import your product, your first product, now let's move on to the next step. Name your store. So here you can name your store, type any name you want. Here you can enter your store name, and here you can change your store email. So let's save this. Now all you have to do is launch your website. After you customize it, you can launch your online store and publish it. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.